Good afternoon, students. This is Mahendra, lecturer in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss inverse Laplace transform of derivatives. Okay, today we are going to discuss inverse Laplace transform of derivatives. Okay, let us read the statement. If L inverse of f bar of s is equal to f of t, then L inverse of nth derivative of f bar of s, nth derivative of f bar of s is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n into t power n into f of t. Okay, L inverse of nth derivative of f bar of s is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n into t power n into f of t. Okay, note L inverse of first derivative of f bar of s is equal to minus 1 into t into f of t according to this one. Okay, treated as a formula. Let us discuss one problem. Now read the first question. Find L inverse of logarithm of s plus 1 divided by s minus 1. Okay, find L inverse of inverse Laplace transform of logarithm of s plus 1 divided by s minus 1. Okay, first of all, let us assume as f bar of s is logarithm of s plus 1 divided by s minus 1. Okay, in this problem, first of all, we have to find out the L inverse of logarithm of s plus 1 divided by s minus 1. So we can assume as f bar of s is equal logarithm of s plus 1 divided by s minus 1. It is in the form of logarithm of m divided by n. Logarithm of m divided by n can be written as logarithm of m minus logarithm of n. Okay, according to this formula, we can written as f bar of s is equal logarithm of s plus 1 minus logarithm of s minus 1. Okay, logarithm of m by n can be written as logarithm of m minus logarithm of m. That is logarithm of s plus 1 minus logarithm of s minus 1. Now differentiating with respect to s on both sides, we get okay, derivative of f bar of s is equal to derivative of logarithm of s plus 1 minus derivative of logarithm of s minus 1. Okay, differentiation of s sum is equal sum of the differentiation. It is in the form of derivative of logarithm of x can be written as 1 by x. So we can written as s plus 1 assume as treated as x. Derivative of log x is equal 1 by x. That means 1 by s plus 1. Derivative of s plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 divided by s plus 1 minus derivative of logarithm of s minus 1 in the form of derivative of logarithm of x can be written as 1 by x, that is 1 by s minus 1 into derivative of s minus 1, that is 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 divided by s minus 1. Differentiation of a function of a function. Okay, first derivative of f bar of s is equal to 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 divided by s minus 1. Apply inverse Laplace transform on both sides, we get L inverse of first derivative of f bar of s is equal to L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 minus L inverse minus 1 divided by s minus 1. Okay, inverse Laplace transform of a sum is equal to sum of the inverse Laplace transform. L inverse of f bar of first derivative of f bar of s according to the formula. L inverse of f bar of s is first derivative of f bar of s is equal to minus 1 into t into f of t. So we can written as minus 1 into t into f of t is equal to e power minus t according to the formula. L inverse of 1 by s plus a is equal to e power minus a t minus L inverse of 1 divided by s minus a is equal to e power t. Okay, this is the formula, standard formula. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus a, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus a, that is equal to e power minus t minus e power t. Okay, minus 1 into t is minus t. By cross multiplication, f of t is equal to e power minus t minus e power t divided by minus t. Okay, now L inverse, since f of t means L inverse of f bar of s is equal to taking common minus from numerator, we get e power t minus e power minus t divided by t. Okay, minus minus cancel, we get L inverse of f bar of s. F bar of s means logarithm of s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 is equal to e power t minus e power minus t divided by t. Okay, multiply and divided by 2 of okay, this fraction, we get 2 divided by t into e power t minus e power minus t divided by 2. According to the formula, this can be written as sin hx. Sin hx is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. That means it is in the form of e power t minus e power minus t divided by 2. So we can written as sin ht. Therefore, L inverse of logarithm of s plus 1 divided by s minus 1 is equal to 2 divided by t into sin ht. This is inverse Laplace transform of derivative. Okay, this is the required solution. Let us discuss another problem. Find L inverse of L inverse of tan inverse of 1 by s. Okay, find inverse Laplace transform of tan inverse of 1 by s. First of all, f bar of s is tan inverse of 1 by s. Okay, it is in the form of tan inverse of 1 by x, that means cot inverse of x. So we can written as a tan inverse of 1 by s is equal to cot inverse of s. Okay, f bar of s is equal cot inverse of x, cot inverse of s. Differentiating with respect to s on both sides, we get derivative of f bar of s is equal derivative of cot inverse of s. It is in the form of cot inverse of x. Derivative of cot inverse of x is equal minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so we can written as the first derivative of f bar of s is equal minus 1 divided by 1 plus s square. Now apply inverse Laplace transform on both sides, we get L inverse of first derivative of f bar of s is equal minus minus taking common minus 1 value, that is minus into L inverse of 1 by s 1 plus s square. This can be written as 1 by s square plus 1 square. It is in the form of L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is equal 1 by a into sin a t. According to the formula, we can written as a sin t. Okay, L inverse of first derivative of f bar of s is equal to minus 1 into t into f of t. This is inverse Laplace transform of first derivative. Okay, therefore f of t is equal to, by cross multiplication, minus sin t divided by minus t, minus minus cancel. Therefore L inverse of f bar of s is equal to sin t divided by t. L inverse of f bar of s value is tan inverse of 1 by s. Therefore L inverse of tan inverse of 1 by s is equal to sin t divided by t. This is the required solution. Prepare very well. Thank you.